You may or may not be familiar with the fact that you can model on an envelope character in XSI. I'll just show quickly how that works. So I've got this guy here, and I've got weighting on him. Here, I'm just going to take this down. I just take him down one subdivision level. Make things a little faster. So I've got weighting on him, and I just want to go in and model in pose. So he's over here, and let's say I'm going to go into my modeling mode. That's where you have to be. Select different parts of the character. Let's give him an unusual chest. So I'll just go select these different parts, and I shift duplicate. Now, as you know, before I get any further, just check this out. The stack in XSI has a whole bunch of different regions in here. So this one has animation, shape modeling, and modeling. And because I'm working in modeling mode at the moment, it's going to go under the enveloping operator, and everything's going to interpolate automatically. So as I go back, I delete out these, push out these, the unusual chest on our character, and we go take a look here. You can see that extrude op went into the modeling region. So I don't even have to, and as I'm modeling, you can also see, look at the envelope data is interpolating perfectly. So that's great. All I have to do is go hit freeze. Now when I hit freeze, this will freeze the whole stack. This one here will freeze modeling. So I want to make sure when we model an envelope character, hit freeze modeling, bang, it's completely out of the stack. That's it. This used to be a nightmare in production pipelines. It would cost days and hours of work, or some kind of crazy pipeline that had to figure out how to interpolate that. Now it's a matter of one click in XSI. So that also, what's cool is that also applies to shape animation. So on this this low-res monkey dude, or gremlin monkey dude in this case, if I come in and look at his shape weights. Now I'm going to show this on 2 shapes, but it will work on several thousand. It doesn't matter. So if I've got this character here, and I'm interpolating modeling here, I'll just step this up subdivision, and I want to go on model on the character. Again, it's the same thing. I've got shape, I've got modeling, and you know what character project doesn't have shape and enveloping? It's not very common to not have that. So if I come over here and I start, let's go select a parallel edge loop, and I'll go around corner. So I just get this all in one shot. Oh, I don't want that. I want a parallel edge loop. Sorry. Parallel edge loop. Okay, go select here. And I'll go select this one down here, parallel edge loop, duplicate, start adding more geometry in there. And same thing's happening. It's interpolating through all the shapes. I'll just freeze modeling, and you can see I've still got all my shapes interpolating perfectly. If I had 1,000 shapes, they would all interpolate perfectly. And so I can come over here, and here I'll just unselect that one and duplicate these out. So now if he's got some kind of abstract art mouth, that's again going to interpolate. Shape still holds up. So if we go look at this some more, what's happening? Well, the reason we've done that is we've gotten in and we've hooked up, well, normals. Normals a little much on this, but we've hooked up the normals to interpolate perfectly. And that's what's allowing us to interpolate the shape. So if you go in and you have a special tools, special cluster-based things that have the same problem, you're going to be able to interpolate those as well.